Get ready to explore the futuristic wonders of Dubai in 2024. Introducing the 2024 Dubai Travel Guide, showcasing the top attractions, tips, and landmarks that travelers must experience. Dubai has always been a city of innovation and luxury, and 2024 is set to take that reputation to new heights. From iconic skyscrapers to breathtaking desert landscapes, Dubai offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition that is sure to captivate any traveler. Briefly touching on Dubai's tourism development and the significance of 2024 as a year for travel in the city. Dubai has rapidly evolved into a global hub for tourism, attracting millions of visitors each year with its world-class attractions and luxurious amenities. In 2024, the city is set to host even more spectacular events and unveil new attractions that will redefine the travel experience in Dubai. Highlighting the key attractions, events, and activities available in Dubai in 2024. From the stunning Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, to the vibrant Dubai Marina, there is no shortage of must-see landmarks in the city. Travelers can also enjoy thrilling desert safaris, luxurious shopping experiences, and world-class dining options that cater to every taste and preference. Delving into the specifics of each attraction, discussing what makes them unique and worth visiting. Whether you're exploring the historic Al Fahidi neighborhood or experiencing the adrenaline rush of indoor skiing at Ski Dubai, each attraction in Dubai offers a one-of-a-kind experience that will leave a lasting impression on visitors. Comparing the 2024 Dubai experience with previous years or with other popular travel destinations. Dubai has always been a trendsetter in the travel industry, constantly pushing boundaries and setting new standards for luxury and hospitality. In 2024, the city continues to raise the bar with innovative attractions and experiences that rival those of any other destination in the world. Sharing personal stories or travel tips from your own adventures in Dubai, adding a personal touch to the guide. My own experiences in Dubai have been nothing short of magical, from exploring the bustling souks of Dara to taking in the panoramic views from the observation deck of the Burj Khalifa. Dubai truly offers something for every type of traveler, whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or cultural immersion. Summarizing my thoughts on the overall Dubai travel experience in 2024, and suggesting which type of travelers would benefit most from visiting. In conclusion, Dubai in 2024 is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the ultimate blend of luxury, culture, and adventure. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a foodie, or a history buff, Dubai has something for everyone to enjoy. Encouraging viewers to explore more travel guides on my channel and to share their own Dubai travel experiences in the comments section. If you're planning a trip to Dubai or simply want to learn more about this incredible city, be sure to check out my other travel guides for insider tips and recommendations. And don't forget to share your own Dubai adventures with us in the comments below. Dubai awaits. Are you ready to explore all it has to offer in 2024?